Log in to your Salesforce account. Click on Setup and go to your left panel. Search for Platform Tools. In Platform Tools, click on Apps. Open App Manager. Click on New Connected App. Continue with creating a new connected app. Give a name to your app of your choice. Give the contact email of your own contact person. Make sure you have that email with you handy so that whenever you will be receiving an OTP, you are able to provide it. Go below and click on Enable OAuth Settings. After clicking on Enable OAuth Settings, give the callback URL. Go to the selected OAuth scopes and search for Full Access. Click on Full Access and add it to the selected OAuth scopes. Below you will find Required Proof Key for Code Exchange. Please uncheck that. If Require Secret for Web Server Flow and Secret for Refresh Token Flow is enabled, keep them enabled. Proceed on saving the app. After you get this screen, click on Manage. Go below to the OAuth Policies section. You would find the IP relaxation as Enforce IP restrictions. You need to relax the IP restrictions. To do that, click on Edit Policies. Go to OAuth Policies and select Relax IP restrictions. Proceed on saving the app. Your app has been saved to be accessed by APPSeCONNECT. Click on App Manager. Once again, search for the app that you had saved. Click on the drop-down of that app. Click on the View. After you are done saving the app, go to the API Enable OAuth Settings section. Click on Manage Consumer Details. You would be prompted for providing an OTP. Followed, you will be getting the Consumer Details section where you would find your consumer key and consumer secret. Simply copy the consumer key and put it in the APPSeCONNECT UI, where it's shown as consumer key, and follow the same step for consumer secret.